Hey there, curious minds. Today we're diving deep into the mysterious moons of Jupiter. Did you know Jupiter has 79 known moons? That's right, 79. And each one has its own unique story to tell. First up, let's talk about Ganymede. Ganymede is the biggest moon in our solar system, bigger than even the planet Mercury. What's fascinating is that it has its own magnetic field. Scientists believe Ganymede could have an underground ocean, making it a prime candidate for finding extraterrestrial life. Next, we have Europa. Europa is often called the frozen moon, but don't let that fool you. Beneath its icy crust lies a vast ocean of liquid water. Europa's surface is crisscrossed by dark streaks, which are actually cracks in the ice. NASA has big plans to explore Europa, hoping to unlock its watery secrets. Now let's move on to Io. Io is the most volcanically active body in our solar system. Its surface is dotted with over 400 active volcanoes. These eruptions are so powerful they can shoot lava fountains up to 250 miles into space. Io's extreme volcanic activity is a result of its tug-of-war with Jupiter's immense gravity. And then there's Callisto. Callisto is often called the dead moon, but it's far from boring. This heavily cratered moon is one of the oldest landscapes in our solar system. Callisto's surface tells the story of billions of years of cosmic history, making it a fascinating subject for scientists. But wait, there's more. Beyond these four famous moons, Jupiter has dozens of smaller moons, each with its own quirks and mysteries. From Amalthea, shaped like a potato, to the tiny but intriguing Himalaya. Each moon adds a piece to the puzzle of our solar system's history. Exploring Jupiter's moons isn't just about understanding these distant worlds. It's about understanding our place in the universe. What secrets do they hold? Could they harbor life? Every discovery brings us one step closer to answering those big questions. So keep looking up and stay curious. The universe is full of wonders, and Jupiter's moons are just the beginning. Thanks for watching, Rajiv Ranjan.